Imagine a plate filled with crispy golden bites of potato goodness. Now imagine that you've made them yourself, easily and quickly, from the comfort of your own kitchen. Yes, today we are diving into the world of the delicious and simple potato flat bites. To embark on this culinary journey, gather a few basic ingredients. You'll need 5 medium-sized potatoes, a quarter cup of corn flour, a sprinkle of your favorite herbs, a dash of salt, and last but not least, a drizzle of olive oil. Begin the process by washing and peeling the potatoes. Cut them into thin slices about 1/4 of an inch thick. The beauty of these potato flat bites lies in their simplicity, and the thin slices ensure they cook quickly and evenly. Next, immerse these thin potato slices in a bowl of cold water for about 20 minutes. This step is crucial as it removes excess starch and helps achieve that sought-after crispiness. Once the 20 minutes are up, drain the water and pat the potato slices dry using a clean kitchen towel. Now it's time to season. In a large bowl, toss the potato slices with corn flour, herbs, and salt. Ensure each slice gets an even coating of this tasty mixture. Then heat a large pan over medium heat and add a generous drizzle of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, lay the potato slices in the pan. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. They should all lie flat. Let them sizzle and turn golden brown, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. When the slices turn a delectable golden brown, take them off the heat. Your potato flat bites are now ready to serve. These bites make for a perfect evening snack, offering a balance of taste, texture, and simplicity. In summary, making potato flat bites involves 5 simple steps. First, prepare the potatoes by washing, peeling, and cutting them into thin slices. Second, soak the slices in cold water for 20 minutes to remove excess starch. Third, season the potato slices with corn flour, herbs, and salt. Fourth, cook the slices in hot olive oil until they turn golden brown. And finally, serve them hot and enjoy. Creating these bites is an adventure in itself, and the end result is a plate full of crispy, golden, and incredibly delicious potato flat bites. So why wait? Dive into your kitchen and start this culinary journey today.